Hey you guys, it's affiliate.watch, and in this video we're going to be going over the coolest self-cleaning water bottle affiliate program out there, and I'm also going to be giving a gift at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs in the world. In today's video we're going to be reviewing Waatr, which has been featured all over the news, and it's some of the coolest self-cleaning technology I've seen for water bottles out there so far. And you can earn 20% commission on this affiliate program. The cookie length is 60 days. The minimum payout is $7.25, and they pay out via PayPal. And I will go ahead and show you a little bit about the product, and I will show you how to sign up as an affiliate and start earning commissions on this affiliate program. So this is Waatr's homepage right here, and you can see they've been featured in Men's Journal, Forbes, Time Magazine, Women's Health, CNET, etc., etc. And if we scroll down, you can see some of their major products right here. And I'll also be going over a little bit of how the technology works in this video, but I highly encourage you to check out some of the pages which I'm about to show you so you can read more in depth. If we go right here, this is their products page, which lists all their products, and you can also see that right now they're celebrating Earth Month, and they're planting one tree with every single purchase. And here are some of their products right now. If we scroll down, you can just kind of get a good idea of what they're selling. But I will go over the technology and the science with you, and I also recommend to check out their YouTube channel so you can see videos of how these water bottles work and why it's so cool. This is their 4D purification technology, and they have a patent on this, and so they're able to clean water like no other. This is not a normal water bottle, guys. This can get rid of the bad stuff in the water and help filtrate it. Here is a page about the UVC disinfection science that they have, and they also have a couple patents on this, and you can read more about it. And they also have a full page that goes over the science of how they help purify and self-clean your water, so you don't need to buy a water filtration system or a purifier or anything like that. You just need this water bottle. That's what's so cool about it. And this is their affiliate page, and I know it's blank for me, and it's not going to be blank for most of you. The reason it's blank for me is because I'm running Linux, and Shopify is hosting their affiliate program and using an iframe, and they seem to be blocking Linux. If you run into this issue, I doubt you will, because most of you are using Windows and Apple. I will leave a special link down for you below to get to this page, which is on Shopify's domain. You can come here and you can click apply, and you can apply. It's a very simple application, and once you're approved, you're going to have a dashboard that looks like this. And one of the coolest things about this affiliate program that almost no affiliate programs out there are doing is they're allowing affiliates, I wouldn't say no programs, but probably only about 5% of programs out there, they're allowing affiliates to offer 20% off to the people they're promoting. So if they go with an affiliate link, they're going to get 20% off. So this actually incentivizes not only affiliates, but incentivizes customers as well. So this is absolutely great for affiliates. So I wish more affiliate programs would do this, but they don't. And you come here, you can see that you can, you have your link right here, and then you can just share it. And the cool thing about this is they also, I'm not sure if they're giving this to all affiliates, but I got one free gift from Waatr that will give you guys 50% off with this promotion code. So one lucky person, whoever is watching this, early on and wants to use this promotion code, you can get 50% off. And I will leave this promotion code down below. And if you don't get that 50% off and you still want to buy Waatr's products, you'll actually get 20% off with my link. I highly recommend this affiliate program. I highly recommend you guys to check out about the site, the science, and how it works. Watch the videos, and you'll see that this is a really, really cool affiliate program with a lot of potential. And if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to check out affiliate.watch if you want to find the best affiliate programs in the world. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day.